sports fans, Ultra Sunday. This is Big John McJohn bringing you the play-by-play for the ultimate of football contest. This year, it's the Abilene Aardvarks versus the Pinkville
Panthers! Go team! Logo-infested outfit, check. Ticket, check. Lucky pin, check. Pinkville Stadium, here I... Step on a crack and jinx your quarterback. Phew, that could have cost my team the game. Yeah! Back off, puss. You're not crossing this guy's path. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, man. The things you gotta do for your team.
Today's game has all the experts predicting a runaway victory for the Aardvarks.
Experts. What do they know?
The Panthers don't have a chance.
If you're there, they will win. Yes! Third row, 50-yard line! Ah! Hey! No, Bird! You're messing with destiny! Wow!
Good news, sports fans. There's still a few tickets left. But they're going fast.
All right. Huh? Well, a fellow Pinkville Panthers fan. Aha! A real understanding bunch, aren't we? Unusual for football fans. I've just gotta get into this game. Finally.
You'll never recognize me in this. This is brilliant.
Freeze, clown! Just where do you think you're going?
Why, I'm the Panther mascot.
Their mascot's an inflatable balloon. No one sneaks past G. Gordon Gatemeister, boy. The greatest security guard who ever lived. I can spot a freeloader a mile away.
And there's the opening kickoff.
Get your hot dogs here. Tasty, foot-long hot dogs.
Hey, Wiener Man, I'll take all you have. Lunchtime, boys.
Panthers hand off to McBoogle. He surges ahead, breaks a tackle. He leaps and scores! In the
Oh, and it's all my fault.
And Panthers finally tally with a 38-yard field goal.
Hey! More gator juice here!
Step aside. This calls for a professional.
Yikes! Phew, good thing I brought my lucky pin. An unobstructed view, and no gatemeister to worry about.
Wrong, game jumper! Good thing I brought my lucky pin.
Panthers have a runner. He fumbles. That's a tough break for the Panthers, sports fans. Something's missing from that ball club. Call it energy, spirit, or just plain luck. It looks like they're down for the count. Yes, the Panther offense has no life, no spirit. Something's missing.
Yeah, me in the stands, but not for long. Package for Mr. Gatemeister.
Golly, the last time I got balloons was from a clown. Dear Gatemeister, you win. I'm going home. He choked. It's understandable. I am the greatest.
It's coming down to the wire, sports fans. The Panthers need nothing less than a miracle to pull this one out.
You! Come here!
Whoa!
It's all up to you, kid. We need a touchdown. So go in there and give it your all.
Don't I have an option?
Option play? Good idea. Get in that huddle and tell what's-his-face to call 87 Go Deep.
Huh? It can't be. I've been buffaloed.
35, 42, 53, hut!
Holy moly, can that tailback scamper? The quarterback looks, he throws. That's one for the playbook, sports fans. The Panthers win it!
If you're there between 8 and 10 a.m., they will winterize your car for $29.95?
Hey! That ball's club property! Give it back!
What?